Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video I will be showing you all how I transformed my daughter's bedroom, and as you can see it was very much needed. So if you're interested, please continue watching. So we started out by clearing out the room and getting rid of this hideous bed. I've had this bed for over 10 years. I bought it when I moved into my first apartment, and I decided to give it to my daughter when we moved into this house. As you can see from the clip that I inserted above, her room did not always look this bad. She has really done a number on it over the years. So here's the room all cleared out with the exception of these two dressers that I'm going to paint. I wanted her room to have a light and airy feel, so I decided to go with this light blue paint color. It's by Behr Paint, and the color is called Permafrost. While planning this room makeover, I knew that I wanted an accent wall. First, I ordered wall decals from Amazon. Then one day I ran across this wallpaper at Target and said, bingo, this is what I want. This is a peel and stick, and it was very annoying, but I made it work. OMG, y'all, these curtains are my favorite part of the room. And I have to admit, they would have not been a part of the room if not for my mother, who talked me into getting them. They're from Target, and I think that the mustard yellow tassels add a boho element to the room, which I absolutely love. Now onto this dresser. This dresser has been in the family for, I want to say like almost 20 years. Yeah, I painted it peach when we first moved in here, and for this room I decided to paint it white and add black knobs to it. I think that it will be a nice contrast to the blue walls. This piece is actually one of two. There is a taller dresser that matches it, and it's at my mother's house. This gold nightstand has also been in the family for many years. I remember it being lavender when I was around 11. So I called around and I did some research, and my aunt said that she even had it when she was pregnant with her first son, who is 27. So yeah. I ordered Dior's bed from Amazon. It's a trundle bed, and I got it mainly so we can have sleepovers. And here I am just fluffing out this rug that I also got from Target. And I decided to add this faux green plant. I think that greenery is the perfect pop of color, especially against this wallpaper. And here I'm just going to put her diaries or journals or whatever in this black and white bin and put it under the nightstand. Now here's the fun part, making up the bed. I really wanted to get one of those Betty comforters, but the one that I wanted was back ordered until May. So I just decided to go with this white comforter, and for sheets, if you can't see, it's like black and white spots, and I thought that that would match her wall perfectly. Now here I'm just playing around with the placement of these pillows. I did end up going back out to Target and buying more pillow covers and another throw blanket, and you'll see that in a few seconds in the final reveal. I want to give another shout out to my mom. She gave Dior this hanging pot to put some greenery in, and she also gave Dior a boho inspired black orange chair that you're going to see, and I think it just ties everything together in this room. All of the stuff that you see on Dior's dresser is stuff that she already had. I absolutely adore this cake stand. I don't think I'm going to ever throw it away. My mom, of course, she bought it from Marshall's when we first moved into this house. You guys, I am really interested in your feedback. Please leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about Dior's new room. And I want to take this time to invite you all to subscribe to my channel and catch up on some of my videos. I do a lot of decor stuff. Decor is life. I do organizing, cleaning, like all stuff mom and wife. So if that's the kind of stuff that you like, this is the channel to subscribe to. I want to let you all know that Dior absolutely loves her new room. She is like the ultimate preteen now. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.